Hi everyone, this is Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to compare prices with AI Select. So Samsung's AI Select tool lets you analyze a photo or a screenshot of a product and instantly pulls up online listing of similar items across different shopping platforms. So it's built in like a reverse image search with a focus on shopping. So here we won't be using that. However, we'll be using AI Select to pin prices or a deal which we have seen, and basically we'll compare it with something else. So here's an example. I have Skyscanner open up here, and I'm just looking for flights from between Birmingham to Turkey. So as you can see, let's just say, for example, this is the cheapest I've found, which is about 4 airlines, and it's £230. So in order to keep this on screen, I can go ahead and activate AI Select. I can go ahead and select this, and then I'll go ahead and tap on the pin icon here. So now this will basically pin it on screen. Now I can go ahead and bring this down. Now I can go ahead and change the date. So say for example, now I want to go maybe another day. So maybe in July to 20th of July. And I'll go ahead and tap on apply. Now like this, I can go ahead and compare the prices. So if I make my travel a bit earlier, I can get cheaper deals. So as you can see, from £230, we have actually moved on a bit cheaper to £198. So this way you can basically quickly find better deals. You can compare the sellers and avoid overpaying. So it's a powerful feature for smart, budget-conscious consumers who want to get the most value. So there you go, guys. That is how to compare prices with AI Select on your Samsung S25 Ultra.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.